Nimesikia.
Hiyo mic yako rudisha chini bwana. Hiyo mic yako rudisha chini ya mic yako. Sawa.
Thank you very much. You want us to give them a few more minutes?
No, we are okay.
It's okay, start.
We are okay.
Thank you very much, members of the Fourth Estate. I was having a meeting at the Cultural Training Center. Thank you very much, members of the Fourth Estate. I was having a meeting at the Cultural Training Center when I was told about this. And I've just rushed here. I am extremely happy that my officers from the fire department have been able to put out this fire in their response time was about 3 to 4 minutes. And as you can see, the chambers itself, there's a lot of foam and there's a lot of basically a lot of wood, but they have been able to put out the fire. I've not had occasion to talk to the Speaker here, but Mr. Speaker, this is, we would have to close that the entire, as a CEO of this county, I'm closing off the entire of that area. We will have to get expert advice on what happened, but from the preliminary indication is that the fire was off and they were repairing, I think Kenya Power were repairing the power here. When it came, when they had repaired the power, whatever they were repairing, that's around the same time that the fire occurred. This is something that, fires are unplanned, but for us in the county, this is something that should not happen. No injury has been reported. We just walked in, and from what I've seen, I can see that the chambers is completely damaged, but we are going to launch investigations very soon. And I have already ordered that the place be completely sealed off. I am actually getting in touch with Nairobi immediately for us to get the experts to tell us what was the fire. Fortunately, it's only the chambers that are affected. I think the office of the Speaker and all the other offices are not in touch. But you can rest assured that we are going to get expert advice. Our initial suspicion, I've told you, does appear like it was an electrical problem because we have a number of machines in there, in the chambers. I'm aware that there were no documents in the chambers. There's no document that has been spoiled as against having the chambers except the machines. And like you saw, I've just arrived. I think it was a few while. But you must all agree that the response time for our fire department was exemplary. We were here in 3 minutes, and in another 10 or 15 minutes they put out the fire, which would have completely messed up the entire structure here, including one office, which has not been touched. Thank you very much. Thank you. So anybody